what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I can't believe you actually came back. Wait, you came back. You know what? You my dog. You my dog. I love you. This little spot here I have on my eye, I swear Isaac didn't hit me. I ran into a doorknob. So let's get started with some makeup, girl. You see how I get new stuff and my baby digs it and messes it up? You see that? We'll return the baby, get a new one. So it took me forever to try and decide what kind of color combination I wanted to do. And I was really like perplexed for so long. Look at this. Look at her. Look at her. Okay, finally we came up with something. Let's go in with this color for our transition. We're gonna use a big fluffy blending brush and brush that all over my transition area. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this like hot pink number, and we're gonna put that all in the crease area and then kind of fling it out, you know, the looks that I like to do. Okay, so I do have the shade names for these, but it's on a little plastic sheet and I'm not going back in the house to get it. So we just gonna point out the colors, and I'm gonna say this one and that one and this one and that one and this color here, and you can see it, right? That's why I put the picture up here for you. Anyway, we're gonna get that in the shape we want it, filling it out on our eyelid, and then we're going to also blend that in with that previous brown shade we used. That's why we use that for our transition, you know what I'm saying? That, see right here, this brush is a clean brush. Now we're gonna go in with this even deeper purple color. It's like a purpley brown. It is pretty. Going in with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna define my crease even more than just, you know, just free balling it. We're defining now. We're not free balling, we're defining. And I think you guys been watching me long enough to know, keep these brushes handy because we're gonna come back to it, and that's how you blend, you know what I'm saying? So this little dark purple brush we're gonna set right here to the side, just like this clean brush to help me blend right here, this dark purple and this pink color. Keep it to the side, girl. Okay, so now it's time to cut the crease. So I need to make a video on how I do my brushes to cut my crease, because I have been getting asked, you know, a couple times my technique, and I actually got it from Kiki Adams, I think her name is. Maybe I'll link her video in the description box. So yeah, go down there, check it out if you want to know how I do my brushes, because I just learned from her. So I think you guys also know I'm using my P. Louise base to cut the crease. I don't use concealer for an eye base anymore. Like, I've learned from the errors of my ways. Now it's time to go back in with our crease brush, and we're just going to pack this on the outside corner. Then we're going to go in with this shade. This is our lid shade. It's super pretty. It's super like punchy. It's like, it reminds me of like sour straws, you know, the little sour straws, the red ones. That's what it reminds me of. So we're just going to put this all over that area that we just cut the crease with. And I'm using a flat synthetic brush. I did spray my brush with some my Morphe setting spray, but you will see, oh, here it is. I have to go in with this NYX glitter glue because the color wasn't like as pigmented as I wanted it to be. And usually when I go back in with this and put it back on top of that, I'm just amazed. I'm wild and amazed. I really be cracking myself up when I go back and look at my videos and I do this. Why do I always have to open my mouth like a freaking guppy? Anyways, I'm gonna go in with these. I have these NYX, like they're glitters. They're like glitter liners, literally. So I usually use the Urban Decay, but that's hella expensive. So I was on the Ulta website and I came across these, and they had a whole bunch of different colors. So I was like, you know what? Let me try these. See how good they are. Girl, they good. They just as good. And I'm not gonna waste my money on stuff that I could buy for the same price. No. We don't do that. It literally makes no sense to spend more money on a product when you can get one for cheaper that does just as good. Anyway, y'all know I love my NYX, right? Because this is the only eyeliner I use. This is a NYX liquid eyeliner, and I like the matte one because the velvet just be too shiny. So we're gonna go with the matte one here. and just line our eye. So we're going to use our little strip sticky tape, whatever it's called, just to help us with the wing, even though I could do it without it because I got skills or whatever, but you know, it's already there, so I might as well use it. Let's put on a little bit of mascara just so it makes it easier when I put on my lashes. You know, now while I'm doing my mascara, my glue is drying for my lashes, so I gotta save as much time as I can somewhere. I got 4 dang kids. Okay, so let's glue on some lashes. Look how cute this eye is, guys. I was really like feeling this look, even though I do like continuously do this glitter liner in my crease. I love it. This is my favorite stuff right now. Favorite. Okay, so now it looks like we're taking, oh, see, I'm feeling it. Okay, let me tell you about this foundation, girl, because I have just come to realize that I actually have dry skin. I've always thought I had oily skin, and maybe I used to, but now my skin be dry. So I use this dewy, not concealer, I use this dewy foundation, and I love it. You know, I still gotta blend it in. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I use 2 different shades. I use Cafe and I use Caramel. This first shade I'm going with is Cafe, and then the second shade is Caramel. I'm loving these too because these aren't as dry as like the LA Girl. And I used to love the LA Girl, but like I said, I just realized that I have more drier skin, and a more hydrating concealer is like, that's my jam. Guys, I almost forgot to tell you because I know I'm going to get a lot of comments about it, but my headband, my little kitty cat meow meow headband, I totally got it from my sister's boutique. It's called Poshbox. I will leave a link in the description below. She has a lot of like different things. She has clothing, accessories, like phone accessories. She has a lot of different stuff that you can look at. But like I said, if y'all wanted to go look at this and order some, I'm gonna leave all this information in the description box. So once I get this all blended in, we're going to set this concealer. Of course, I always use my Sacha Buttercup. It's great. There's no other words. It's just great. Okay, so after I use my beauty sponge, I go in with this brush here and I just brush away the excess. We're gonna keep this brush though because we're gonna use it again, so don't forget that, girl. Okay, so a new purchase I just got the Jaclyn Hill bronzer brush. This thing is nice, girl. It's heavy, it's like durable, it's cute or whatever, you know. So I was like, ooh, let me try it out in this video. Girl, I'm hooked. I love this thing. It's like the perfect shape. It goes like perfectly into the hollows of my cheek, on my forehead, all of that. It's great. I highly recommend you get it. I bought it while it was on sale too. Usually it's like $14 and I got it for like $8. Now, time to blush. You get whatever blush works for your skin tone. This is actually it was my mom's. Remember, I brought it up like a couple videos ago. But it works great. Now I'm going to contour my nose because I almost forgot that step, which I must not ever do because this nose is too wide to not be contoured. Okay, so, this is a big brush I was telling you to keep, on deck because I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and I'm going to lightly powder my face with it just to set and blend everything. Here I'm highlighting with this MAC. I don't even know what this is called, but I love it. So I'm going to use it to highlight on high points of my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, my Cupid's bow. I get a smaller brush to go in here, and then I also want to do my nose, this little strip here, then a little tip, and then right under my brows, right under the arch of my brows. I don't do the full brow, just under the arch. Okay, so after I do this, it's time to do the under eye. This is called a paint. This is called a color switching thing. I don't know, pad, something like that. So you rub it in here, and then it knocks off most of that last color you use on that brush. So that way you can use the same brush over and over. And that's what I did to go on with these colors under my eyes. Then I grab a little bullet or pencil brush, whatever you want to call it, and I blend those two colors together. Now I'm going to take this L'Oreal, it's just a black waterline or black eyeliner, and I use it for my waterline. And now I'm going to spray and set my face. You guys know I have to use my fan at least like 4 times in one video. If you guys know why I do my mascara after I spray my face, put it down in the comments. You might win a prize or something, because I say it every video, every single video. My lips, girl, it's the same nude lip. Actually, I just used a dark brown pencil and then some gloss. I love a nude lip. I don't like color. I like it on my eyes, not on my lips. So, you know, don't yell at me, because I do hear a lot of, you only did nude lips. Yeah, I know. That's what I like. So that's what I do. I think that's enough of my rambling. Like, this is the slow motion part of my videos. So this is where I get to like wind down and like tell you guys how much I love you. And thanks for subscribing, liking, and sharing this video, because we're friends now. I got more videos coming. I got better content coming. I got new equipment. So my video quality is getting even better. And I think that's what's kind of getting this like surge of subscribers. But you know what, keep messing with your girl, because I mess with you. Okay, I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, send me your social security and your firstborn and some money, cash only. Thanks. I'll put my Cash App in the description box. Just kidding. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, click one of these videos and you can see one you haven't watched yet. Go ahead, click it. Click this one.